Hey, what's up guys? Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money online with YouTube. This, in my opinion, is pretty much the best method of making money online for beginners, or just anybody who wants to make some extra money online, because this requires no spending on ads, this requires no affiliate linking, none of that stuff. This is totally profit, and you don't have to spend anything to make money using this method. So, I've been able to generate a lot of money using this method. As you can see, I'm in the YouTube analytics for the month of September on one of my YouTube channels. This channel in particular is my biggest channel. And as you can see, it's pretty consistently been making like $200 to $300 per day. Some days we've had pretty good days, $300 there. As you can see, about $200 to $300 per day on this particular channel. Here's another channel that I have. I just want to let you guys know that I made this channel this year, okay? I made this channel in January and really started only going hard on it like a couple months ago. And as you can see, this channel is generating almost as much as my biggest channel. So my biggest channel is making $8,400, and that's how much it made in September. And this one in the same month of September made $7,900. And as you can see, I had some pretty big days here, $800 in a single day with a single channel. And then adding these channels together, you guys can do the math. It's a lot of money per month. So now, as you can see, I'm within my AdSense analytics right here. And within AdSense, it says your earnings. So in the month of September, I made $16,412. And that's going to be put into my bank account on October 21st. So my last payment was issued on September 21st. I get paid on the 21st of each month. My last payment was $10,505, and that was on September 21st for the month of August. So as you guys can see, this is exactly how much I've made using this method every single month. In January, as you can see, I made $9,800. February, $7,000, March, $9,000, April, $6,000. As you can see, it's kind of up and down, but I've been able to get it consistently over $10,000 a month on this one particular channel. Now I'm adding in that second channel, and it's really starting to compound. As you guys can see, I have 16,000. I have a bunch of other littler channels too. But I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing to generate this kind of money on YouTube, using only YouTube, not spending any money on ads. This method is so awesome, guys. So now I'm back on YouTube, guys, and I want to show you some example channels that are doing exactly what I'm doing in a variety of different niches, too. And they're all doing this, and they're making a lot of money making these videos and putting ads on them. So essentially what we want to do, we're actually taking other people's videos, we're putting ads on them, and we're making a lot of money. Now, all the secrets lie in actually optimizing the videos, and I give you guys my exact blueprint at the link in the description. I do have a course, but taking a look at this exact method, what you do here. So as you can see, here's an example channel called Top 5s. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of these channels and didn't even know that they're doing this. So this example channel, as you can see, they're making between $3,000 and $50,000 per month, and I can tell you guys from experience that number is right in the middle of those two numbers. So they're making about $25,000 per month just from this one single channel. As you can see, they're making top 5 videos using other people's videos, putting them together into a top 5 list, and then putting the kind of their own spin on it, putting a little voiceover on it. It's super simple, guys. And this is exactly what this channel is doing too. So this channel has 2.8 million subscribers, and these channels aren't even that old, guys. And as you can see, it doesn't matter. I know a lot of you guys might be like, oh, you had to get on YouTube early to get that big. That is so not the case, guys. My new channel that I just made this year already has 200,000 subscribers, and it all comes down to consistency, and it all comes down to following the blueprints that I outline. But taking a look at this channel right here, Top 5's Finest, as you can see, if we go into their Social Blade stats, they're making between $6,000 and $96,000 per month just from this channel. They have other channels too. They have like a Spanish channel that's making a lot of money. And as you can see, they're getting like 2,000 subscribers a day. And they're making, from experience, I can tell you that they're making at least, at the bare minimum, $40,000 per month on this single channel. So they're doing the exact same thing. They're putting together a little list, and they're like videos that you want to click on, you know? Like 10 scary ghosts. They're really utilizing clickbait, which is exactly what I teach how to do in the course. They're optimizing their tags good. And here's another channel called Did You Know? And what they're essentially doing is taking those viral stories that you see on the internet, those clickbait viral stories that you see, like, on the footers of websites, on the bottom of websites, like, I mean, just look at these titles. Bizarre structure sitting in the Atlantic Ocean has an amazing story. 2 guys notice these pipes sticking out of the ground. Just videos like that. And they're managing to get a lot of views. So if we go to their Social Blade stats right here, we can see they're making between $7,000 and $11,000 per month. So they're making about as much as me on my channels. So they're making about, I would guess, like $5,000 to $8,000 per month. And that's pretty good from a single channel. I mean, I don't think any of you guys would complain with an extra $5,000 to $8,000 per month. And these are not even the biggest channels. Here's another channel called Open Mind, and they're literally just taking other people's videos and re-uploading them on their own channel. Now, as you can see, if we go into the About page of their channel, they have at least 43 million views, and I have been going through these channels, and I see that each of them do have ads on them. That's another thing you'll want to look for. If you're going to try to clone someone's channel or something, make sure their channel has advertisements on them, because then you know that it is monetizable and you can make money on them. And I actually teach you guys in the course how you can make double and up to 10 times as much money as most channels do on YouTube. Now, these are secrets that I've been using for a long time. As you can see, I've been running channels for over 3 years, but over the past year, I've really managed to make a lot of money with YouTube because I've really started implementing the secrets and the blueprints that I outline in the course. So here's this channel, Open Mind. They've gotten like 43 million total views on their channel. And as I showed you guys, they're just re-uploading other people's videos. Like, it's amazing that you can do this. And my course is titled, How to Make Money on YouTube Without Even Making Your Own Videos. And this, of course, can apply if you are making your own videos. Like, if you are making your own videos and you want to find out how you can optimize them, make a lot of money with YouTube, the course is for you guys. But this channel, Open Mind, as you can see, they're started in 2015. They've gotten 43 million views. They're not even posting that often. And 40 million views, from my experience, guys, that could be up to $150,000. On the low end, they're making at least $40,000 off of all those views. Granted, they are monetized, and they are. I went through the videos, made sure they got ads on them. So you guys might be thinking that 43 million views sounds like a lot, but it really isn't, and it isn't as hard to get as you think when you have the blueprint and when you have exactly how to do it. So guys, these are the channels, and they're all doing this. As you can see, they're utilizing clickbait. They're doing a lot of things right. I mean, I do see some things on these channels that they're not doing right. For example, they're not uploading as much as they could be. Like, this channel is really uploading a lot. And as you can see, though, guys, we can beat these channels with consistency if we upload more than they do. Like, I see a lot of channels doing this, and they're uploading, like, once a month, yet they're still making, like, $10,000 per month. But imagine if we can upload, like, 5 times as many videos as they do. This is what I teach in the course. And put out as many videos as you possibly can. Get that data. I show you guys in the course how to analyze the data and how to use it to your advantage to make up to 10 times more money than most people do on YouTube. So, guys, these are my tips how to make a lot of money on YouTube. Again, if you're interested in my course and you're really serious about making money on YouTube, check it out. First link in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to share more methods on making money on YouTube. I can't wait until October 21st when I get that $16,000 being put into my bank account. Now, this happens every single month, guys, on the 21st of every single month. And I want to help you guys do this too. Now, a lot of you guys might be saying, like, why do you want to share your secrets and everything? And the reason is, guys, that YouTube is so big that there's so many niches within YouTube that you guys aren't going to be within the same niche. And I'm diversifying between different niches now. So, like, I got that channel, my biggest channel, that's making, like, $8,000 a month. I have my new channel making $7,000 a month. And these are within totally different niches, and I show you guys within the course, like, the most profitable niches that you can choose. So I want to help you guys make money on YouTube. I'm Make Money Matt. Thanks for watching.